Good afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Northampton location, and today we're going to be taking a look at this absolutely beautiful 2019 Mercedes-Benz S450. This S-Class is currently showing just over 62,000 original miles, and if you would like to see a high-resolution detailed photo set, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There, of course, you will also find a free included Carfax report, alongside a long list of technical data related to the vehicle's remaining tire and brake life, as well as individual readings from each panel using our paint depth gauge. But today I'll take you on a quick condition overview around both the interior and the exterior, as well as showing you some of the more notable features, of which there are an impossible amount on this vehicle. So much to cover, but we'll try to keep it concise for you. So, starting here, just looking at the basic spec here, nothing basic about it really. It's a absolutely beautiful silver. I know in this current lighting it may just appear like a silver that you would have seen on many other vehicles, but when you see this silver in the bright direct sunlight, it shines like bare polished aluminum. It's really incredible. I almost had to put on my sunglasses when I was looking at it earlier, and that lighting is reflected on the listing. The sun just dipped away for a moment, but if it comes back we'll be sure to show you here in the video as well. So the first thing I like to show is a really close look at the body to look for any dings, dents, or scratches. Starting here down the driver's side, I can already tell you it's free of any dings or dents anywhere here on the driver's side. It looks absolutely perfect. Taillight lens is crystal clear here on the driver's side. Looking at these wheels, it's a wonderful part of this spec. Beautiful, aggressive AMG Sport wheels, black finish with that nice machine finish on the outer portion of the wheel, and a little bit more on that small AMG badge just there. Really complements the spec very, very well. You can see here the front wheel, very nice condition as well. Massive brakes behind as well. So now we'll move on to the front fascia, and we just got a bit more sunlight so you can see that paint quality I was talking about. You see headlight lenses look nice. And now look at that sunlight. See how it just completely brightens up the exterior of the car as soon as you get that direct sunlight. Just looks absolutely incredible. Looking here at the condition of the front bumper cover, I don't see a single rock chip anywhere across the front end. You can see that silver paint is paired beautifully with all of the chrome trimming on this front grille. And of course you have that Mercedes star just visible out the windshield, which is a wonderful thing to see as you go down the road. Also a beautiful chrome front splitter, which looks great when paired with that grille. Now we're here on the passenger side as the sun fades again. You can see front wheel looks great. Again, massive front brakes in very nice condition. Going very close to the panel again. My eye cannot see any dings, dents, or any imperfections here in the paint, besides maybe that small imperfection just there, but it's so hard to see. Looking there, tail light also on this side, wonderful shape. And that brings us to the rear of the S-Class, where we find more beautiful chrome trim with your S-Class badging, your Mercedes star, and the 4Matic, which of course is related to the all-wheel drive system fitted to this vehicle. One thing I love about the taillights in this era of Mercedes is they fitted these little, they look like little crystals into the taillight, so it has a beautiful shimmer and a sparkle to it. Looks a lot better here to the human eye, but it's a really nice and subtle touch that I appreciate. Looking across the rear of the bumper, you have those dual chrome exhaust outlets with that nice chrome trimming connecting them. Before we make our way inside, the last thing I'll point out is the beautiful panoramic sunroof that we'll see from the inside in just a moment. But it's all in impeccable shape here on the S-Class. So let's make our way to the interior, which is really what you're paying for here with the S-Class. Looking at this door panel, absolutely stunning, beautiful materials everywhere you look and touch. Looking at the seating condition, fantastic shape. Beautiful black leather as we cross over this Mercedes-Benz panel just there. I'll just close the door gently. You can see it soft closes itself, very luxurious. Looking across the dashboard, beautiful condition all the way across. I'll waste no time firing it up. Nearly silent as the engine comes to life. No vibration whatsoever put through the seat or the interior whatsoever. Digital display on the gauge cluster looks great. Very customizable, utilizing the steering wheel controls, and we can see on both sides they're in wonderful shape and trimmed beautifully in that satin silver. If I use the left side, I can control my gauge cluster, various functions, and as I mentioned, there's too many to list here, but I'll show you some of my favorites. One thing I love is the customization with the Designs panel. You can see here we're currently in Classic, which gives you two nice kind of faux analog gauges. I can move up to Sport and select a nice aggressive kind of AMG yellow, or Progressive if this is more your speed, a nice central display with some nice light blue hues, but I think it's fitting for this car to remain in the Classic mode. You can also run your phone controls, your media, your radio, navigation, trip, various other functions as well, and your drive assist, which is, you know, various controls on the vehicle, safety and lane keep and things like that are controllable via the gauge cluster. And in each of these menus, you have multiple different menus to scroll through. It's all nice and easy. Cruise control is also just here, and this car is fitted with the semi-auto steer, so it won't completely take your steering away, but it will assist you on long stretches of highway as long as the car detects that you are paying attention. Here on the right, you have some media and phone controls, all very self-explanatory. And this will bring us to our infotainment screen just here. Now you can see I'm currently in the car menu, but quickly I'll show you the nice reversing camera with that top-down 360 view as well as the rear view. Now if I put it in drive from reverse, it will switch to the front camera, so if I'm approaching a curb in a parking lot, you'll keep that nice chrome front splitter perfectly safe, and you have eyes on what's directly ahead of you. Throw it back in reverse here, you can also see the wide shot reverse camera. You could see both of your side views for each wheel. You can see just that front camera, the wide front camera. It's all very easy to control via this menu and the single knob here in the center console. But I'll put her back in park here. Go into the navigation display so you can see the full color map, which looks wonderful. Of course, radio, media, all of the basic stuff. And here in the car settings, we have a lot of really cool stuff. Looking at the seat controls, you have driver massage as well as passenger massage. You can do the active workout feature, which as you drive along, it'll put pressure on your back and you have to push on that, which will keep you active and comfortable on a long highway cruise where your body might get tired or sore. Of course, being in an S-Class, it's quite a tall order to get sore on a long drive. These cars are so comfortable. Of course, climate control, basic things that you would expect. Dynamic modes, which you can change your drive mode. You can change various features for your individual driver mode, which is great. You know, steering, engine, suspension, all of that good stuff, as well as seeing your live performance data, just like so. But we'll go back here to the car menu. Oh, pardon me. Nothing wrong with the car. This is just me forgetting my way around the system. There we go. And the last thing I wanted to show you in this menu are the lighting settings, because I love the ambient lighting in these Mercedes S-Classes. You can see all of these various color schemes you can select through the menu. They're all beautiful, and they accent behind the screen for the cluster and the infotainment. I'll put it on purple so you can see it best. They also engage underneath all of this trim, and at nighttime it looks absolutely stunning. If you look up S-Class ambient lighting at nighttime, you'll see what I mean. It is absolutely beautiful, and you can really customize the interior that much more to your liking. But anyway, let's move along, because I could spend an entire video there in the infotainment screen. Looking more at the condition, which is what we're really here for. That leather panel is beautiful, no wrinkles or anywhere whatsoever, all the way across onto my door panel. Here on my door panel, I have my driver's seat controls, but with one push of this button, I can easily manipulate the passenger seat, which I love to see. I have my heated and ventilated seating controls just there. So as you can see, I can throw on my heated seat, but if my passenger requests their heated seat, I can just as easily use my switch to turn theirs on and adjust it as they need. Very, very cool to see that. Also, Burmeister audio system is one of the best in the business. It's absolutely mind-blowing, and you would expect that in a vehicle of this quality. Now, looking a little bit further down, we have these beautiful round vents that carry all the way across the dashboard. They all look beautiful, trimmed in silver. Nice analog clock as well. We have some more climate controls just here, but with one touch of that center button, it will bring up the full climate menu. And currently there is an air freshener canister fitted to the glove box. So if you choose, you can send a nice fragrance directly through your climate control, and no big Christmas tree hanging from your mirror or anything like that. Very cool to see. Looking a little bit lower here, one touch of this drawer slides out a nice ashtray and a power outlet, all very clean. Stowing that away reveals this nice bit of storage, and that returns to home exactly as you would expect. Looking here at my center control stack, I have access to all of my menus on my infotainment screen, as well as my knob and my little touchpad to control all of that. You have your auto start stop, your drive mode selector, which, as you can see, I can move to sport, your customizable menu, or eco, but I will leave that in comfort as it was. You can see your suspension lift, which is great for getting in a steep driveway. And some more controls, drop your rear headrests and adjust your radio stuff just there. Now, one really nice touch here in the center console storage is this really cool system Mercedes developed. So me as the driver, if I need to access something, I can just lift it like so. But let's say the passenger needs to access something, they have a button which can lift this way as well. Very, very cool. Very German of them. You can see just above my head, nice big sunroof, panoramic, small barrier across, and then a nice big sunroof for my rear passengers. I will show you the operation of both shades. You can see just there, both operating exactly as they should. Now I'll open them up. They all move quickly, quietly, and smoothly. So I know there's probably more up here, but don't want to take too much of your time, so let's take a quick look at the engine bay, and then we'll make our way to the second row of seating here in the S-Class. I'll meet you there. All right, so now we're here under the hood of the S-Class, and as you will have already noticed, it's extremely clean under here. I actually really like this design under the hood because the engine just sits in a nice little window that you can see trimmed with that rubber seal. And then otherwise it's surrounded by this plastic, which is in wonderful condition. You can see all of the hardware there on the fenders, nice and clean, not showing any tick marks on the edges, which is a nice way to see if those have come apart, which of course they have not. You can see the underside of the hood very clean as well with that nice heat shielding. All your reservoirs, all of your lines, all of your painted portions under the hood all present beautifully. And you can hear the engine idling very happily here. So this particular engine is a 3-liter bi-turbo V6. It's not the big thirsty V8 that you'll find in some other S-Class models, but that's not to say that it's a slouch. This V6 is producing around 362 horsepower and around 369 pound-feet of torque. And when you pair that to a 9-speed automatic transmission fitted to this vehicle, the power is available everywhere. Very quick gears, but very smooth. Of course, being an S-Class, that is the primary focus. Smoothness over aggression. The aggressive comes with the the SAMG models. So let's open up this massive rear door to take a look at the second row of seating. Looking here, rear seats in wonderful condition as you would expect. Very, very spacious. Now I have the driver's seat, I kid you not, set where I would comfortably drive the vehicle being 6'4", and look at how much room I have ahead of me to sit behind myself. Let's take a look here. This is my regular seating position. I can't stress enough how unbelievable this is. I have almost an annoying amount of leg. I mean, I can lay down here. It's really something special. I absolutely love sitting in the back of an S-Class. I mean, just look at that. And that seat's further back than the one I would drive in. An 8-foot tall person could drive behind an 8-foot tall person here in the S-Class. It's absolutely phenomenal. So, taking a quick look around here in the back, you can see I have these nice convenient sunshades, but with one touch of my window switch, I can drop this down and they stow away nicely. And I can also do the same on the other side. I'll highlight the sun here so you can see just how much of a difference that makes. Of course, these switches also operate the rear windows themselves. But we always like to show that they operate as they should, nice and smooth and quiet. Now, looking just behind my head, we also have this nice big sunshade that is currently in the up position. I will, with one touch of my other window switches, drop this down, stows away nicely, and then with one more touch, we will bring this right back up. Works flawlessly. The last one is an individual control for only this rear sunshade. Operating perfectly. Nice little touch as well just ahead of me for both occupants is the nice drop down mirrors with the lighting as well. You can see both of the lights work as well. Very, very nice feature to have for your rear occupants. And that does close as it should. Here I have some climate control vents as well as a small little power outlet stowed away just there. I also have a nice drop down armrest with some cup holders on either side, as well as this nice storage just in the center. But lastly, let's just take a quick look at the trunk. Nice soft closed doors, as you can see. One-touch operation, trunk lifts right up on demand. You can see nice all-weather mats for the vehicle in perfect condition. You'll see the carpeting around the back looks great as well. And one of my favorite features of this era of Mercedes are these nice little storage trays. And if you want to keep anything from rolling around in your trunk, you can of course use these small netted corners of the trunk, but you can also just drop that down, expand a little bit of storage, stow it away once you're moving. And then when you remove your cargo, just push this silver button and it nicely stows back up, giving you the full advantage of that massive, massive trunk we have here in the back. I'm just going to one-touch that button and it will drop back down, latching into place. So if you have any further questions related to this beautiful spec S450, please reference the listing at alphacars.com, and there you will find all of the relevant contact information. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful rest of your day. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you from AlphaCars.